Hi, so today we are going to design a automated birthday wisher where whenever it is a birthday of your friend, automatically an email will be sent without you doing anything. Okay, so from the Python program, we want to send an email saying that it is happy birthday. So for that, what we need is first we are going to create a CSV file with the details of all your friends and their birthdays. For example, here we have created birthdays.csv, which is a file. In birthdays.csv, we have name, year, name, email ID, year, month, and day. So year is not required actually because for the date of birth we don't need to see the year. We just want to see the month and day. But year is also included. And also remember these values. So the column names are name, email, year, month and day, because later when we load this data into a data frame using pandas, these are going to be the column names. So that is why remember them: name, email ID, year, month and day. Anyway, I'll show you again. So now we are going to place the details of each of your friend in one row. For example, Santosh is the name and this is his email ID. This is his year of birth and then month of birth and then day, month and day. Right. Similarly, we have other names also. So like this, you have to prepare one list one time. So this is lot of work, I know, but once you prepare one list one time, maybe you might be having 20-30 friends. All of those friends and family, if you place them one time in this list, that is sufficient. Then automatically emails will be sent on their email day. And also we have created templates for the emails. So one template is called letter 1. In letter 1 we have some text: happy birthday, all the best for the year. And in letter 2 we have some text: happy birthday, have a wonderful time today and eat lots of cake. And in letter 3 we have it's your birthday, have a great day. So why are we having 3 different letters here is because we don't want to send the same letter every year. They might get a doubt that you are doing it automatically. So it will add some randomness. Randomly we will pick one of these letters and we are going to send them, and we are going to place them in a folder called letters. If you see letter templates, there is a folder called letter templates. Inside that folder we have kept all the 3 letters. Okay, now let's start the program. So let's import date time. So from date time, import date time. You know this already. Now let's try to find out what is today's month and what is today's date. Date in the sense the day, which day it is in the month. So we are going to get it by using datetime.now. Now using this today is an object of type datetime.now. I mean, this is going to return an object for today. Now from today I can create a tuple of month and day. So why are we doing this? Because we want to check if today is birthday of someone. So for that we want to know what is today, what is the month and what is the date. So today.month and today.day. Once we get them, then we are going to load the data from the CSV file into a data frame by using pandas. This also you know, already we have done this earlier. So we are going to do read CSV and we are going to give the CSV name. birthdays.csv, and we are taking it into data. Now data is a data frame which is going to contain a table, and you know what are the column headings of the table. Now from them we are going to create a dictionary using dictionary comprehension. So you know what dictionary comprehension is: creating dictionaries directly in one line from anything you can create it. So we are iterating over the data frame, which is data, using iter rows. Using iter rows, we are iterating over the data frame, and from that from each row we are going to take the month and the day as the key. So index and data row are going to be the, when you are iterating over a data frame, you are going to get index and data row. From the data row, we are going to take the month and the day. Day means the current day of the month. So this is the month, data row month, comma, we are creating a tuple, data row day. We are creating a tuple. This is going to be the key for the dictionary. These are the keys. Okay. So the month and the day are going to be the keys, and the value is going to be the entire row. Whatever row we have, that is going to be the value, so that it will be easy for us to search. So now using this key, I can match today month and today date, and if there is a match, then I can know that today is someone's birthday. If today tuple contains today month and day, if it is in the keys of the data dictionary, then it means that today is someone's birthday. Then we are going to take that birthday person. Now we are going to create the template that we are going to email. We are going to randomly take one of the letters. For that we need random. So we have to import random. From the random we are going to take random int 1, 2, 3, so that one of the letters will be selected. Now here, in place of the number letter 1, letter 2, letter 3, we are going to select them randomly. We are going to randomly get 1, 2, 3 using randint. Random.randint 1, 3. So one of the letters will be selected. Now we are going to open that letter using with and as. We are opening the letter that we have selected. And we are going to read the contents of the letter. And inside the contents, we are going to replace that name. You have seen that, right? In every letter there is name in the square braces. Can you open that? Yeah. So in every letter there is a placeholder for name. Now we have to change this square braces name, and we have to actually include the person's data there, person's name. For that we are going to get the row of the person whose birthday it is, which is nothing but the value of the tuple, today tuple. So from the dictionary we are getting the row, which is a row in the data frame, and we are holding that row in birthday person. Are you getting this? Today is someone's birthday, and that person is actually represented by this key. Now I am taking that entire value of that key, right? And from that I can get the name. Now it is a data frame row, right? Therefore you can get the name by using birthday person's dot name, or you can use square braces name. Now we can send the email. Once the template is ready, then we can send the email. For sending the email, we need SMTP lib. So let's import SMTP lib and open a connection with the SMTP server. smtp-lib.smtp. Using this method, you can actually open a connection. Now we want to send it from our created Gmail account. So that is why it is smtp.gmail.com. So with and as, you know that we don't have to close it if we use with and as. And then connection dot start TLS. And then log in using email ID and password. So email ID and password are already taken earlier. You know that you have to get the app password. So email ID is this and the password is this. This is the app password, not the normal password. We are going to log in using email and password. And we have to send the message. And send email is send mail. From address you have to give, which is the email. To address, we already have it in our CSV file. We can get from there. That birthday person's to address is there, no? That birthday person's email ID we can use. Birthday person email ID. And then we can view message, go down. And the message is the contents present in the content. First we are going to put the subject. Subject is happy birthday. And then contents, you know that. We already have made the contents here. Right? So 2 new lines. And then contents. Now this will send the email. So just to check this code, what we have done is, instead of waiting for someone's birthday, we have entered a dummy row in our birthdays.csv with today as the birthday. For example, here, this person, Santosh email ID is given here, which is Yahoo email ID. And then we have taken it as October 9th. It is today's date, October 9th. So that an email will be sent today. We don't have to wait to test this code. So we have given a dummy entry. Now an email has to be sent to that account directly if you run the program. Now we are running the program. Yeah, it has finished. Now an email will be sent. Yeah, he got the email and open that email. Okay, name didn't get replaced. The name has to be Santosh here. What might have happened is there we have used replace method, but replace method is not going to replace in the original string. We have to generate a new string. So what I mean to say is, let's go to the code. In this code, here, where is the contents? Yeah, here. When I wrote contents.replace, it is not going to replace in contents directly. It is going to return a string that you have to catch. Therefore, I am going to write contents equal to contents dot replace. Or understanding it, the original string is not getting replaced. It is returning a string which is replaced. So for that, I am going to catch it in contents. Now the original contents will be replaced by the replaced string. Okay. Now, if I run it again, that person is supposed to get it. Santosh. Hold on, email will come. Click on inbox, it will refresh. Yeah. Now here we got it. So here now, dear Santosh, it is your birthday. Have a great day. Okay. So like this, you can send the emails automated to everyone whenever their birthday is. But there is a small problem here. So every day you have to run this code in order to send an email, and it will be difficult for you to remember to run this code every day, and it will be hectic every day to run it. So for that reason, let's run this program in a cloud. Let's run this program in a cloud, and let's do the settings in such a way that every day it is going to run once. Okay. So you can either run it in Google Cloud or Amazon Cloud, where you can get free access also. But that is complicated process in order to start running your Python program. There are a lot of steps, but there is a simple website called Python Anywhere. We will use Python Anywhere to run this code on the cloud, and every day we can set the timer in such a way that it runs every day, and we will be able to generate the code. Okay, I mean run the code and send the emails from the cloud. Okay. Now let's put our birthday wisher on the cloud so that you don't have to run it every day. So go to the website called Python Anywhere. Okay, pythonanywhere.com, and then you can see that there are various monthly plans available. So for hacker, for the web developer, for startup, for custom. So there are various plans available. If you want to use it for many different things, then you can take a plan. Otherwise, if you want to execute only one program as of now, then you can go with the free account. So here, create beginner account is there. Click on that. Now, if you click on create beginner account, then it is going to ask you for username, email ID, password. Let's give username, email ID and password. We have created some dummy emails, so we are using them. You can use your own email ID. You will get notifications also. So use your own email ID if you are trying to use it for multiple purposes. And password, you have to use some password. And you can say register. I agree terms and conditions, and you can say register. Then an account is going to be created. If the username already exists, it will give you a warning. Yeah. So click on End Tour. Now you are seeing the dashboard. So inside the dashboard, consoles is there, files is there, notebooks is there, web apps is there. So the same thing is there here also. So click on files. We'll upload the files that are to be used in our Python program. So upload a file is there. You can click on upload a file and upload the main.py, the program that we have written. So the main Python program is uploaded now. Now you will see that main.py will be here. Yes, main.py is uploaded. Similarly, upload birthdays.csv file also. Whatever files are required for your program, we are going to upload all of them. So now birthdays.csv will appear here, birthdays.csv, and now create a new folder called letter templates. And try to use the same names that you have used in the program. In the program, while opening letters, you are going to use letter templates, right? Use the same name. Now a directory is created. Now inside that directory, see, you are in here. RBR letter templates is here, the directory. And now inside the directory you are going to upload the letters. See this. A folder is created, letter templates. Oh, LE is created, is it? Okay. Letter templates we are creating. Now letter templates is created. Inside the letter templates we are uploading the file. All the 3 letters we are uploading them. Letter 1, letter 2 and letter 3. Now letter 1 is uploaded. You can see that here. Letter 2. Letter 2 is uploaded. And then letter 3. Letter 3 is uploaded. Got it? So now if you see it in RBR 123, the main.py is uploaded, birthdays.csv is uploaded, and letter templates is uploaded. So now we can run the program. Go to dashboards again, consoles. Inside the console, you have to select bash. There is bash here. You have to select bash. And here you have to use the command to run it. One minute. Delete the old emails there in Yahoo. Let's delete all the old emails so that you will see whether a new email is received or not. Now let's give the command python 3 followed by main.py. This will run the program. Let's run it. It is over. So the program has run. Let us see if we have got the email. Click on inbox, refresh. Yeah, we got the email now from the cloud. Okay. So now what you have to do is set a timer and see that it executes every day. Let's go to tasks. So there is tasks here. Let's go to tasks. And here you can say what is the time you want daily our program to execute, and then what is the command and additional description if you want anything, and then you can create. But if you see here, the UTC time as of now is 5:47. This is the UTC time zone. UTC time is 5:47, which is server following. We want to test this program, so let's put it at 5:48. And create it. Give the command there. Now create it. We have created a task which is supposed to run every day, daily at 5:48. Okay. So now at the time 5:48, our task will run, and then you will get the email again. So let us see this. Let's see the log. Here you can see logs here. If you click on this, you can see log. Now log is showing task has not run yet because time is not at 5:48. Just be patient, it is going to happen. So time has become 5:49 now. I think we missed it. So let's edit the time and have 5:50. Yeah, 5:51. Let's wait for some time. The time is 5:49 only. Log is saying task has not run yet. It is supposed to run at 5:51. Now the time is 5:49. Refresh it so that time we will get the exact time. 5:50 is the time. So one more minute. So once you set it, then every day at that time your program is going to run, and it is going to check for any birthdays and it is automatically going to send the email on the birthdays. In fact, you can design an app for this called Birthday Wisher. I don't know if there are apps available. There might be apps available. You can develop this as an app so that people can enter the birthdays and you can automatically send the birthday wish on that particular day. Just be patient. One more minute is there. Yeah, time is 5:51. Let's see the log now. Log is saying completed task. It took 5 seconds and the written code was 0, which means it was successful. Now if you open that email, you are supposed to get an email. Refresh it. Yeah, we got the email. And it is saying have a wonderful time today and eat lots of cake. So we are able to run the program on the cloud and send an email without actually doing it manually. You can apply this to any other programs that you are running. You can run them on the cloud, but the problem is free account is allowing us to run only one task. If you want to do more tasks, you have to take a premium account by paying money. That depends on you. If you want it, you can take it. Okay. Thank you.